have an interesting hobby. I use paper to make art. I cut the paper into long, thin strips. Then, each strip is rolled or coiled and used to make art. My hobby is called quilling. I am a quiller. Most people buy fancy colored paper to do their quilling, but I prefer to recycle. I save all my old notes and assignments from school. Then I use markers to color the paper. Here you can see some of my art. Quilling is great because it allows anyone to be artistic. You can be a good quiller even if you are bad at drawing or painting. You do need to be patient though. It's not a fast process. You don't need a lot of tools to be a quiller. I use a toothpick, some glue, a paper cutter, and a pair of tweezers. If you don't have a paper cutter, you can use a ruler and a pair of scissors. First, you cut the strips of paper. Then, you coil the paper. Roll it tightly around the toothpick to make the coils. From that point, you can make anything. Here are some examples. I enjoy quilling because it is relaxing, and I can make beautiful art. Thank you for letting me share my hobby with you.